You want to push her? Push her. Somebody took her clothes off.
Go have some chicken. I'll play show you what.
I think that like the other one in Clarksville,
That big thing.
yeah,
That's
that
what.
thing,
Yeah.
that thing was cool.
They think they have that at Funbelievable,
Yeah.
but it's even bigger.
Yeah.
Sorry.
Want other kids to go?
Go get the ball. Go get the ball. You gonna play basketball?
Emily, dunk it.
Oh.
You can do it.
Yes. Good job, Emily. Uh-oh.
Uh-oh. You ready?
Now you go. Go. Good job, Emily. You did it. You did it. You gonna get on the slide? Yeah. Okay.
Okay, follow Daddy.
What's in there? What's in there? What is it? Do you want to put on a cape or something? Okay, sit down. Good job. Good job, young lady.
How do you open the doors?
I don't know. Just like that.
I can see myself in there.
Is there a mirror?